To find love or company, there is no recipe or secret tricks. A modern alternative for organizing appointments are specialized applications to search for any type of meeting. All have as a common denominator an attractive and simple design, but each of them tries to contribute its different element. These are some applications to find a partner so that it is you who decides which one best fits your way of being and what you are looking for. OkCupid. It seeks to differentiate itself from others by offering a deeper analysis of the user. Personality and interests stand out. The algorithm of this application moves for the interests of the users to achieve more significant connections. Meet to. Invite users to show what makes them unique. Appearance is important, but more important is personality. Those interested should answer a personality test with questions designed by psychologists. Bumble. In this application, women must take the first step. When the match occurs, the man has to wait for her to contact him first by chat. Jalma. It has a live video function. It was the first application to incorporate this option. This allows users to interact with other members of the application in real time. Tinder. It is powered by an algorithm that bases its choices on the preferences set by the user when configuring their profile. These preferences have to do mainly with the gender and age that the future candidate is looking for. The distance to which the users are and the level of activity are also factors that come into play. Happen. In each profile there is a detail of how many times a profile is crossed with each other, as well as the place and time in which these meetings took place.